Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to record Tesla Model 3 Dashcam. First, you'll need to understand the basic functions of Sentry Mode and the Dashcam. These features are crucial for capturing important events around your vehicle. Next, prepare a USB drive by formatting it correctly. Finally, always ensure your Tesla software is updated to access the latest recording capabilities and features, ensuring optimal performance. Preparing your USB drive is a critical step. You must format it to either XFAT or FAT32 for your Tesla to recognize it. After formatting, create a folder named Tesla Cam directly in the root directory of the drive. For reliable recording and playback, we recommend using a high-quality USB 3.0 drive. This ensures smooth operation and prevents data loss. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: just like your Tesla records important moments, these leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze, keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your USB drive is ready, simply insert it into one of your Tesla's front USB ports. Then, navigate to your car's settings and enable both Dashcam and Sentry Mode. You can easily review recorded footage directly on your Tesla's touchscreen, or remove the drive and view files on a computer. It's that straightforward to keep an eye on your surroundings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.